Today we're going to talk about the Webb Classic 33cm electric lawnmower. My name's Adam Woolcott, I'm an award-winning gardener, and we're going to talk you through everything you need to know about this lawnmower. This is everything you get in the box, starting with the grass collection box and the handle. We have the lower handles of the machine, the main machine itself, fixing bolts and cable ties, upper handles with the cable, the all-important instruction manual, and now we're going to put everything together. Prior to assembly, make sure you thoroughly read the instruction manual. So the first thing to do is to insert the lower handles, making sure the groove is on the outside. Take the actual handle to the side, press and click down until you hear that little click so you know it's in place. We're now going to insert the second handle on the opposite side, again with the groove on the outside, push down till you hear the click, and that's the lower handles now firmly fixed in place. So now we're going to introduce the top handles to the bottom handles on the machine. First of all, putting the bolt through the square hole on the side and then into the side of the handle itself. We're then going to introduce the bolt fastener and tighten, and then carry out the same procedure on the opposite side of the handle. Now we're going to attach the cable to the actual handle using the cable tidy. First of all, clip the cable into the top of the cable tidy, then press down onto the machine, and you can see that's clipped nicely in place, holding that cable nice and firm and tidy. Then repeat the process further down at the bottom of the handle. We're now going to attach the handle to the grass box by dropping the lug into the holes at the bottom and then pressing the top part into the grooves at the top. Now we're going to attach the grass box to the back of the machine, lift up the flap at the back of the machine, drop the grass box onto the lugs, bring down the flap, job done. You've easily assembled your Webb 33cm Classic lawnmower. I want to talk you through the main features, but firstly I want to point out this was voted Best Budget Lawnmower by BBC Gardener's World magazine. First of all, we have 10 metres of cable, so you're going to get around all those spaces very, very easily. The handle is a very easy fold-away handle, so great for space saving and getting this machine into the back of the car if you need to take it to a friend or relatives. 35-litre collection grass box with a mesh bag as well. That's great for the airflow, getting all that grass right to the back of the grass collection box. There's an indicator on the back here as well to let you know when the grass box is full up. And then coming further down the machine, a really sturdy handle so you can carry the machine from the garden to the shed or into the back of the car very, very easily. As I mentioned, a 33cm wide cut on this as well, and one height adjustment takes you through 5 different heights, so you can start on tall grass and then lower it down to shorter grass when you need to. We've got that polycarbonate deck as well, so really strong deck on this, and overall just an absolutely amazing machine with a 2-year warranty to add as well. One other feature you might not see on other budget mowers is that this one has a metal blade, so that's going to be a really tough blade to cut that really coarse, tough grass. As I say, a feature you do not see on other budget mowers. This is one of many of our Webb Garden Power products. For any questions, please leave a comment below or please subscribe for more gardening tips.